Good morning, everybody. My name's Artie with CoinCasso. Today is April 2nd, and we're going to get into the top news articles of the last 24 hours so that you guys can stay informed and up to date on what's going on in the crypto world. Now, we've got a lot to cover, so let's jump into the computer, get into this first article. It's titled, How Financial Models Could Move Bitcoin's Price After the Halving. Every 4 years, the Bitcoin protocol halves the block reward that miners receive when they contribute so-called blocks of transactions to the blockchain. Currently, the reward is 12.5 Bitcoins per block. The next halving will occur soon in May 2020. Built into the protocol to control Bitcoin inflation, the previous halving that coincided with massive rallies after the first halving, which occurred in November 2012. Bitcoin's price increased from $12 to more than $650. And after the second halving in July 2016, the price accelerated to almost $20,000 in late 2017. Now, this is an opinion-based article, but I'm super curious to see what happens in May. Because of the statistic trend of Bitcoin surging in price after these halvings occur, I'd like to actually see if this happens in May with everything going on in the global economy. It also snowballs me into the next article, which is titled, Bitcoin Takes a Tumble. Traders fret correlation and next month's halving. Bitcoin and Ether are trending down as traditional markets closed in the red Wednesday. It says that traders continue to have concerns about the virus impact in the world economy, as the World Health Organization says infections will surpass 1 million people, causing 50,000 deaths total globally in a matter of days. Here we can see a graph of the US gold value, and it says gold is one of the best performing assets in quarter one. Gold rose 2.9%, which is a great result compared to other asset classes which faced losses. It also says, in theory, by reducing the amount of Bitcoins released into circulation every 10 minutes or so with the blocks, the halving should juice the price, assuming demand stays constant. But the unusual turbulence in today's market and the way Bitcoin has reacted to it so far calls that assumption into question. Definitely give this article a read, guys. It's got some good information, great statistics. I guess the only thing we'll have to do is wait and see till May to see if the halving actually makes the price go up or down. And the last article that I want to get into today is by far my favorite. It's titled, Remote Working Proves Unexpected Hero as Half of the U.S. Economy Shifts to Home Offices. As economists scramble to assess the devastating impact of the virus, they are homing in on an unexpected hero that's mitigating the damage to the U.S., remote working. Now, this global pandemic has been affecting a lot of people, and in the United States, hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of people have claimed for unemployment. And yet there are still some companies in the United States and around the world offering remote work to their employees, allowing their businesses to continue to function. You can see here it shows the national incomes in billions by industry. Finance and insurance and real estate, as well as professional and business services and information and government agencies. All of these industries where a significant portion of the work can be done online. You can see that remote work is offering the top 3 industries remote work, keeping the economy stable. Another great part of this article talks about the computer application Zoom. The companies behind America's remote work explosion are seeing surges in the number of those using their product. For Zoom, the video conferencing software developer turned touchstone of stay-at-home communications, it's been more like a tsunami. Now, if you don't know what Zoom is, it's like Google Meetings, where you can have conference calls with multiple people on this application, whether it's on your phone or your desktop. Here at CoinCasso, we actually use Zoom all the time when we're talking to international investors. And if you look at the App Store, it is actually now the #1 downloaded application, surpassing all social media apps. What I'm really curious about is to see the correlation of work efficiency while people are working from home, as opposed to these people going back to their offices after this whole crisis is over. They could potentially stay at home and work, reducing traffic on the roads, reducing CO2 emissions. The list of benefits that working from home offers is absolutely endless. Really interesting article, guys. As always, all the articles are linked below in the video description. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join us again tomorrow for the current cryptocurrency prices as well as the news. And thank you for watching.